Hello, welcome back to the Market Forecast. Today we are going to cover three biggest mistakes that all traders do, and that's why many of the traders are blowing up their accounts. So let's get started. So there are so many mistakes in the stock market any one person can do, but I'm going to cover top three mistakes that pretty much all traders do and that cost you lots of money. So the first mistake is traders are going against trend. So when you're trading in the stock market, you have to understand that first thing, trend is your friend. In the stock market, when you are placing an order, when you are trading, you have to understand the first thing is trend is your friend. Never trade against the trend. I know lots of people are thinking that, oh, this stock is at its bottom right now. Let's buy it, and when the stock moves, we will make money. But in the reality, nobody knows if the stock went from $100 to $10. This stock has a potential to go from 10 to $1. So you are not going to trade against the trend. If you are going to trade against the trend, then you have to pay the price later. The same thing happened. Many people are thinking that, oh, this stock it was trading $100 a share last year, and now it's already double, triple. I don't think this stock gonna go more up, and they are start selling their stock if they already bought like 2 3 years two previously. But in the reality, this stock has an actual potential that can move from 100 to 200, 200 to 3 to 4 to 5 to until $1,000. Who knows? Nobody knows what's gonna happen. So the first thing you need to understand is never trade against the trend. You have to always remember that trend is your friend. The second mistake of most of the traders are making is they are increasing their quantity. So for example, let's say you have a brokerage account with a $10,000 and you are capable of buying 100 share with $100 price. Now, suddenly, let's say you are trying to make order with 1,000 share. If the price moves against you, even if the smaller amount, let's say if the price drop 2%, the loss is so bigger and you cannot handle it. So this is the mistake. Even if your entry is perfect, you are not capable of handling that pressure. So never increase your quantity suddenly. It will grow slow by slow by slow. So like if you have a $10,000 account, try to make a trade with $12,000, then increase little bit, 15,000, 18,000, 20,000, like that. Not like you have $10,000 in your account and you are placing a trade with $50,000. So that will cost more money. Same thing many people do, like they have a small amount in their brokerage, but they're using leverage. Leverage is another way increasing the quantity because your broker try to give you the money, but you have to pay the money for losses. The third mistake that many traders do is they are not putting stop loss, or if they put tiny stop loss. Like, so here's the thing, you first think that you have to put the stop loss. Second thing is that make sure the stop loss you are putting has a minimal probability to hit. You have to put a stop loss at the place that has minimal chances that market goes, and that way you can maximize your profit. So those are the three main things that every trader making mistakes. And if you understand this properly and correct your trading according to this, there is a far better chances that you will be ahead of the 90% of the trader. The first thing is you are not going to trade against the trend. Second thing is your quantity is gradually increase. And the third thing is you have to put a stop loss at the at the place that has a minimal chances to hit. So thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know if you have any other question regarding the stock market. Please like, subscribe, and comment.